Hello, my name is Shoshana Malfato, and this is my computer graphics project. As you can see, or hopefully see, it's a Rubik's Cube. I can rotate it, and I did the rotation of the entire cube using quaternions, it's done in the vertex shader, so as you can see, it can get pretty fast sometimes. So if I lose control, I can bring it back to the original position. I can also do this isometric view, and it's nice if it gets out of control. The difficult part, the part that took me the longest time with this project was getting the rotation of the sections to work. So, obviously it's a Rubik's Cube, it has to have the rotation of the faces. And it took me a while to figure out how to do this. I don't know if it's the best way, but there's 27 cubes in this thing. Like, there's the vertices for all of the cubes, even the one in the center. And I do the rotation with like a rotation matrices, and so it takes kind of a while. You can kind of see that the rotations take a while. And part of what made it difficult was that the cubes are in different places at different times, so a section is made up of different cubes at different times, so you have to keep track of that. But I got it to work with testing, and as you can see, so I can rotate these sections, and then, so if I rotate them back in the right order, it'll look the same as it did at the beginning, as it's supposed to. So that I had to test that because I wasn't always doing that. And I also have a reset button, so if you are doing this Rubik's Cube and you mess it, you get it all messy, and then you try to solve it and you get frustrated, you can reset it. Of course you can also refresh, but the button is nice too. As you can see, I have these black lines on the cube, which make it look way better. And I did that with texture mapping of the black lines onto the cube. It turned out the checkerboard code for the example we saw in class is actually pretty similar. So that's how I did that. I also sort of got lighting to work, which I thought wasn't going to work. It's not on here now. But since I'm using quaternions, it took me a while to figure out that I could convert that to a rotation matrix and make that work, because all the examples in the book used a rotation matrix, and it made more sense for me to use the quaternions because it's easier for me to do with the vertex shader. But then I decided the lighting kind of looked funny, and I kind of like the solid colors without shading, and maybe I'll figure out some lighting that looks good. But for now, this is what my project looks like, and it functions as a Rubik's Cube. So thank you for watching.